Don't skip this. God is speaking to you today, my child. There have been moments in your life when you felt disappointed, when things didn't go as planned, when doors closed, people changed, and opportunities slipped through your hands. In those moments, you questioned why I allowed it to happen. But listen carefully and gently now. There were things ahead that you could not see, and I was protecting you from them. Not every closed door was a loss. Not every delay was a denial. Not every ending was a mistake. Some paths looked good from the outside, but they would have taken away your peace. Some relationships felt right, but over time, they would have weakened you. Some opportunities seemed perfect, but they would have cost you more than they could ever give. I saw what you couldn't see. I knew the burden it would place on your heart. I understood the cost to your peace, your growth, and your future. So I stepped in quietly, not to hurt you, but to protect you. You may never fully understand what I saved you from, and that's okay. Protection doesn't always come with clear answers. Sometimes it looks like disappointment. Sometimes it looks like delay. Sometimes it feels like an unanswered prayer. But remember this, what is truly meant for you will never miss you, and what has been removed was never meant to stay. Trust the unseen work I am doing in your life. Trust the limits I place around you. You are more protected than you realize, even in moments that don't yet make sense. Find rest in this truth. Today, I am shielding you from what you cannot see and guiding you towards something better. As it is written in the book of Deuteronomy 31:6, "Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you." This is a powerful reminder of God's constant presence and unshakable support. Just as He reassured His people in times of uncertainty, He gives you that same promise today. You are never alone. God walks with you through every trial, giving you strength, courage, and peace. Whatever you are facing, you can move forward with confidence, knowing He is always by your side. If this message touched your heart, comment Amen and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. God bless you. Subscribe for more.